Okay. So yesterday we have discussed how to find square root using division method of normal numbers and decimal numbers. So we will continue that now. If you see question 1 of 6.4, find the square root of the following numbers by division method. So all of you can try. Let's take seventh part. 5, 7, 7, 6. All of you try this and tell me the answer fast. I'm doing it very slowly so that you can give the answer from your side. On your rough copies, you can solve it. Hiten's telling the answer. Good. Very good, Hideshri. This is a normal number, and we have studied that we start forming the pairs from right end. So first pair is 76, second pair is 57. So first of all, we need a number whose square is either 57 or less than 57. That number is 7 sevens are 49 and 8 eights are 64. 8 is giving you more, so you will go with 7. After subtracting, we will get how much? 8. This will come down 76. We all know we have to make the divisor twice. It becomes 14. Now we have 876. The last digit is 6. We need a number which gives us 6. Possibilities are 4 or 6. We know because 4 square gives you 6 at the last and 6 square gives you 6 at the last. Let us check with 4 first. We will get 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 7. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Which is wrong because we wanted 876. That means we have to go with not 4 but all of you, we have to go with not 4 but 6. Very good. We will go with 6. Not erasing. Okay. Now we can take the next number as 6 and 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4 24 plus 3 27. 6 1 are 6 plus 2 8. So we have got 0 as the remainder. So how can we do with negative numbers? Negative numbers don't have square root. Negative numbers don't have square root. Okay. So answer is 76. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay. Now you can tell me if you have doubt in any question. Hiteshri saying question number 2, fourth part. Others, sir, please add Kavli. Okay. Okay, sir, please do 1 1. Do 1 1. Okay, only one part you want to do. Okay, you don't want the time to be wasted, huh? Okay. Let me take one more part from question 1 to make it further clear to you. First one you are saying, okay. Let me take 2304. First part. Again, we have to find the square root. Simple way, we will form this box 2, 3, 0, 4. Start forming the pairs from the right end. Now tell me the first number that can solve this 23 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So we will get 4 plus 3 7 and 0 4 as remainder. Now we have to twice this 4. If you twice it, it becomes 8. So we want 4 at the last. We can take either 2 because 2 square gives you 4, and you can take 8 also. You can take 8 also because it gives you 64. So in both the cases 4 is possible. Let me see. I think someone is there waiting. Mayank is there. So we could have taken 11. Jishan saying, why beta? Why you could have taken 11? Now see, in this case, if you go with 2, you will not get the answer. So I'm going with 8 only. 8 8s are 64. 8 8 is 64 plus 6, 70. So answer is 48. Sir, I have confusion in second part. Okay. I hope, Joel, it is clear now. Okay. Let's say second part also. Doubt for Dev. After this, you can try all parts on your own. Sarah saying, please repeat. Sarah, this question. We just had number 2304. No, beta, just revise what you have done till now. Yes. So, Sarah, in this case, only I have made the pairs. I started with 4. 4 4s are 16. When you subtract, you get 7. 0 4 comes down. This 4 is done twice, becomes 8. I have taken 8 again. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. And we got the remainder as 0. It was simple, Asara. I'm taking one more part that will clear you. Second part I'm taking now. Question 1, second part. 4489. Please see carefully. Same procedure. Make these lines. Write the number. Make the pairs from right end. First pair, second pair. Now, if you observe, we want a number whose square is either 44 or less than 44, and that number is 6. 6 6 are 36. We will get 44 minus 36 is 8, and then this 89 will come as it is. Now, second step is we will make this 6 twice. It becomes 2 6 are 12. Now we want a number who gives you 9 at the unit place. We all know either 3 can give you because 3 square is 9, or 7 can give you because 7 square is 49. In both the cases 9 is coming. Now let us understand. If we take 3, obviously 3 ones are 3. This is 8 over here. It will not work. So I will go with 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. So we have got 0 as the answer. So therefore, answer is square root of 4489 is 67. I hope, Sarah, it is clear to you. Sarah, please confirm beta. Sarah, please confirm beta. The concept is clear. Clear. Okay. Now we will take question number 2. Doubts that you are having, you can tell now. In question number 2, I will discuss those parts only. So do question number 2. Beta, which part? Just which part? Fourth part, Hideshri. Okay. Question number 2. Any part, just saying. Okay. I am taking fourth part, doubt of Hideshri. Now fourth part is 27225. Okay. This is without any calculation. This is without any calculation. So first we will learn how to find. I think this was for the appropriation one. No? Let me see. First, try to find by the method that we have learned. We have 27225. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. We will start forming the pair from right end. First pair, second pair, and third pair. I have added this 0 from my side. Now, which number square is either 2 or less than 2? All of you? Which number square is either 2 or less than 2? Please confirm. It is 1. Okay. First of all, you can tell here we will have answer in 3 digits because there are 3 pairs. First thing we can know that we will answer is in 3 steps. 3 digits, sorry. So 1 and 1 will give you 1 ones are 1. Remainder is also 1. 72 will come down. Now second step. Second step means we will make this 1 twice. It becomes 2. Now which number shall we take which gives a number either equal to 172 or just less than that? Please tell me. Okay. Oops. Question was asking only number of digits. Still, I am solving this. Okay. Question was asking only how many digits. Answer is 3 digits. Now this part is from our side. We are solving from our side. Okay. Now tell me which number should we take over here to get 172. Let us check this side. If I take suppose 5 and 5, I will get 25, 125, which is less than 172. If I take 6 and 6, 6 6 are 36, 12 plus 3, 15. If I take 7, it will be 7 7 is 49, 189. So this is more. So we will go with 6 here and here. 6 6 are 36, 6 to the 12 plus 3, 15. Now what is the remainder? 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. We will have 25 down like this. Now the third step, all of you. Third step, again we have to the twice of this divisor. What is twice of 26? 52. Now tell me which number to be taken. I think something is wrong over here, no? 26 or 2. No, beta. Something is wrong. 2 6 12, 4 5. 1 second. Some issue is there. We have taken 1 second. It is correct. Okay, I have done subtractions 1 6 2 5 only, but I won't get 5 then, no? 5 5 is 25, 2 10 12, 26 we will get. Something is wrong in this case. I have done some subtraction wrong. This was 172 only, and 6 6 are 36, 6 are 12, 15 only. 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, I don't think 165 will get the answer, but let me check again. 1 second. 165. Okay, it will give. It is correct. Then why it is coming wrong over here? 1's a 1. Remainder is 1. 72. 36. 3 15. Minus 6. 1. 2 5. Twice of 26. 2 to the 12. 2 to the 4 5. If I take 5, what will I get? 5 5 is a 25. The 10. 12. It is giving 26. Something is wrong. But beta, you should have it 26 here, no? On this side also. Something is wrong. 2 7 2 2 5. Okay, I will discuss this again. Okay, the solution part I will discuss again. Leave it for now. Now take other part. Suppose we take fifth part. In this Also we have to tell, no Hideshri, it is not 32, it is 52 only. Okay, suppose we take fifth part, 390625. Now tell me how many digits will be there in its square root. Question is asking, you can see we have 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair, so answer will have 3 digits. Answer is again 3 digits. Let me take one more part. Suppose third part, 4489. Again we have 2 pairs, so answer will be how many digits? 2 digits. In this question we only had to tell number of digits. Okay, this fourth part solution I will discuss again with you tomorrow. Okay, please remind me if I forget. Now question number 3. Let's see question number 3 also, decimal numbers. Question number 3, let us take third part, 51.84. 51.84. Shruti of 9th is here. Shruti, I think her sister or someone should be there, na? Please confirm who is with the name of Shruti over here. Now let us see. Same procedure. This time we have a decimal number 51.84. Again we will form the pairs. On the left of decimal we will do from right to left. On this side we do left to right. Now which number square is either 51 or less than that? Very good, Darpan. It is 7. If we take 7 over here, 7 sevens are 49 and it is 2 as remainder. 84 will come down. Now twice of 7 is 14. Twice of 7 is 14. So now again take, we want 4 at the last. Which number should we multiply, beta? 2. Let us take 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Now if you subtract you get 0. So answer of this is 7.2. Not 72 beta, it is 7.2 just. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now shall we discuss the new topic over all of you? Let's discuss the new topic. Let's start. Find, sir, do 31.36. Joel, okay. One second. 31.4th part, sorry, 5th part you are asking. 31.36. But it is similar. Same way you will make this 31.36. Before decimal, pair will be from right to left. After decimal, it will be left to right. So first number is 5. 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 is 6.36. Now twice of 5 is 10. We all can check which number can give you 6. Take 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 carried. 3 will be here. 6 1s are 6. I hope, Joel, it is clear to you now. Answer is 5.6. So square root of yes, beta. I think there is a mistake. Ananya, there was a mistake in that step. Okay. Rachit. Again repeating the see one more time. Question was, Ananya, I will take that again, don't worry. Okay, I will take that again tomorrow. Yes, Darpan. 31.36. Again, form the pairs from right to left, left to right. Rachit, please see what is the number whose square is less than 31 or 31. You will get 5 is the number. 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 will give you 6. Now we have 6.36. Rachit, now we will do twice of 5, that is 10. Now which number we can use over here to get 6 at the unit place? Rachit, which number can we use? Rachit, we can use 6. So 6 and 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 will be carried, 3 will be here, 6 ones are 6. So it is 0. Answer is 5.6. Now let's discuss the topic. Next one, making perfect square. Making perfect square. First by subtraction and second by addition. In the last question that we have done in earlier exercises, we have done by multiplication and division. In this exercise, we will learn how to make perfect square by subtraction or addition. Okay. So first of all, you tell me the least number. Example I am asking. Tell the least number that must be subtracted from largest 2-digit number to make it perfect square. All of you, you have to tell me the least number that must be subtracted from largest 2-digit number so that it becomes a perfect square. We know the largest 2-digit number is 99. Largest 2-digit number is 99. Very good, Yash. Now we can observe this is not a perfect square because at the unit place we are having 9. No beta, Harshul, you cannot divide now. The question of division and multiplication we did in prime factorization. In this method of long division, that will not work. Multiplication and division will not work in the case of long division. Here we only have to add or subtract something. Okay, all of you please try. First we will try to find its square root by long division only. All of you please see. We try to find its square root by long division. Tell me what is the number whose square is either 99 or just less than that. All of you, what is the number whose square is just less than 99 or equal to 99? Very good, it is 9 square. So you will take 9, 9 the 81. What is the answer? The remainder is 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So 18 is the remainder. We all remember if remainder equal to 0, then this was the answer. Do you all remember that? We want remainder equal to 0, but remainder is 18 over here. So by what number shall I subtract the divisor? Sorry, that is the dividend. By what number shall I subtract the given number so that it becomes a perfect square? All of you? By 18. So we have to subtract 18 from 99 to make it a perfect square. Therefore 99 minus 18 is equal to 81, and we know that root 81 is equal to 9. So this is the largest number which is a perfect square. I hope all of you got this. Now try one more example. Find the least number that should be subtracted from largest 3-digit number to make it a perfect square. All of you please try. Find the least number that must be subtracted from largest 3-digit number. Please try. Find the least number. Find the least number that must be subtracted from largest 3-digit number to make it perfect square. All of you please try. Rachit saying 118. Others please try. We all know that largest 3-digit number is that we know is 999, and it is not a perfect square. All of you try to find by long division what is the remainder. Just subtract that remainder and you will get the largest 3-digit number, which is a perfect square. Let's start. We have 999. Okay, Sarah is saying 189. Rachit saying 118. Let me write over here the answers given by you. 118 by Rachit, 189 by Sarah. Others please try. Hiteshri saying 189. 2 votes for 189. Try fast. What number to be subtracted from 999 to make it a perfect square? Please try fast. Aviral saying 118. Justin saying 189. Palak saying 189. Okay, now let's start. Again, we make pairs like this. We all know 9 is a perfect square of 3. So we go with 3 only. 3 3 is a 9. We have got 0. Now this 99 will come down. We will do twice of 3. It becomes 6. Now tell me which number can we take? Which number can we take, all of you? Which number can we take which is close to 99? We can take 1. Okay, let's take 1. 1 1's a 1. 1 6's a 6. What is the remainder? Remainder is 38. So I guess all of you have done wrong. Let us check again. If I subtract, okay, Geeta, so we will subtract 38 from 999, which will give us how much? It will give us, okay, very good, Abhinav. It will give us 1, 6 and 9. So 961 is the largest 3-digit number, which is a perfect square. So you just need to find the remainder and subtract it from the number. That will be your answer. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Now we shall stop here only. After this we'll discuss tomorrow. One second, let me make myself post again. Post.